I am Jennifer with A Perfect Fit Alterations. We are located in Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. Today I'm going to show you how to use a zigzag stitch to put on a patch. You might have a patch from a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout patch that you want to add to something, so we're going to use a zigzag stitch to put this patch on this shirt. Now, as you can see, the edge of the patch is black. You want to use whatever color the garment is in the bobbin. This garment is white. We have a white bobbin in the machine. The edge of this patch is black, so we want to use a black thread. So we've chosen our black thread. We're going to position our patch on the shoulder. Now it's important that you get these patches lined up because you don't want to have to keep taking them off and putting them back on again. Use a couple of pins to position the patch onto where you're going to sew. And then depending on how you want your look to look when you get finished, you can either use a satin stitch, which is going to be real close and you're going to hardly be able to see it going around the patch, or you can use a wide zigzag stitch. The satin stitch will hold the patch on better, especially if your kid is in karate or Boy Scouts and they're going to be pulling at their garments. You're going to want the patch to stay on there. You want your zigzag stitch to be wide enough to cover the black edging, but not too wide as it goes into the patch. So adjust it as you're going along here with your hand so that you can get the stitch just right. Once you've got it adjusted, you can go around the patch. You'll go all the way around the patch, and that's how you'll put a patch onto your garment.